Hey friends, Kevin here with this Fortem brand bungee cord assortment. Now the company sent me this to show to you. This comes in a really nice zippered case. 32 pieces. Looks like there are 7 different varieties mixed in here. So let's get this opened up. So nice quality case, metal zipper pull. Going to have a little warranty card, and we're going to have an instruction sheet. And this instruction sheet is really nice, and it's actually in color, has color photographs. So all of these being color coded for different sizes, different connectors. Let's just get one of these out and look at it here real quick. We'll pull out this bundle of the shorter red ones. Oh yeah, quality wise, I think that's going to be just fine. The ends of these are pretty thick. I'm going to wrap one around this bench I'm using, this workbench. Let's lift that thing up. Yeah. Oh yeah. These are going to work just fine. So if you're wondering about the quality of these, I don't think you're going to have any quality complaints at all with this stuff. I think these are going to do exactly what you would want them to do, and definitely nice to have around, just something to keep in the workshop, depending on your uses, to throw in your vehicle or on your boat or whatever you happen to be doing when you're out and about and working. So